Our innovation is zeolite-driven carbon dioxide transformation as a sustainable solution for carbon capture and conversion in thermal power plants. Zeolites are synthetic compounds of aluminum silicate which can selectively absorb many chemical gases, of which it has a great affinity towards carbon dioxide from the flue gas due to their high porosity. The rate of absorption depends on many factors like temperature, pressure, rate of flow of the flue gas, velocity of the gas, etc. Zeolites are initially stored in a storage tank and then are transported to the carbon absorption unit through a feed pipe. This feed pipe is controlled by a machine learning module. Flue gas passes through a heat exchanger which brings its temperature down to the optimum range of 40 degrees to 70 degrees Celsius, making the adsorption process more efficient. The zeolites are then made to flow in the carbon absorption unit, wherein the carbon dioxide from the flue gas is absorbed. The flow of the flue gas is not disrupted as there is a partial nozzle effect in the structure of the carbon absorption unit. There is a continuous flow of zeolite, and this flow is monitored and controlled by a robust machine learning module. The treated gas is then sent out, while the carbon-rich zeolite is sent to the carbon desorption unit. The carbon desorption unit, the carbon-rich zeolite is passed through a series of heating unit where it is heated to about 100 degrees to 600 degrees Celsius. And finally, the regenerated zeolite are sent back to the storage unit and the process continues. In the pyrolysis chamber, the carbon dioxide is reduced to carbon particles using reducing agents like hydrogen gas. We get carbon and water as the byproducts from this reduction process. This mixture is then dried and transferred to the storage unit. And finally, the regenerated zeolite are sent back to the storage tank and the process continues.